Alright guys, so we're on our way to do a catch and cook. We're going to try to, at least, if we can get a hold of anything in that river there. We're going to White Mills. We'll get back to you when we get there. Hopefully we'll be able to catch some. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we finally made it to our location where we're going to go fishing. Come down here and show it to you. Climb over this little barrier here. Alright, this right here. It's where this little creek here goes into the main river. There's usually quite a few fish down there, so we'll get down here and get back to you if we catch anything. Alright guys, so here we are. We're gonna try fishing out here, and yeah, hopefully catch something. Not sure if we will or not, but hopefully we will. We'll get back to you if we get something. Alright guys, I'm sorry I wasn't able to get on video. I just caught a great big old bluegill. So we'll catch and cook him for sure. We're gonna catch another one. Real nice smallmouth right here. Caught him right there on the edge. Pulling my bait up, took the bluegill, and he jumped up and grabbed it. There we go. Well, I ain't catching much, but Papa just caught one. On largemouth. So see if we can catch any more. Not sure what it is exactly. It's pretty decent. Oh, I think it's a rock bass. Yep, definitely a rock bass. Alright. Let's get enough food and see if we can catch another one. Alright guys, go fishing. Not sure what he is yet. Looks like a bass of some sort. A little rock bass. Let's see if we can catch anything else. Guys. Caught sunfish. Let's see what else is in here. Alright guys, well we just got done fishing. Here's all the fish. We're going to take them home and start skinning them. We'll get back to you when we get there. Yeah, so here's what we caught. Of course we ain't going to be doing all these, cooking them up tonight. We'll be putting some of them in the freezer, but that's what we ended up catching for the whole day, so not too bad. Guys, so this is just a rock bass, and we're going to see how quick we can fillet one of them. Papa's going to be filleting it, and we got a stopwatch right here. So, here we go. Done. 55 seconds. That ain't too bad. You're looking at under a minute per fish, so yeah, they should be pretty quick. Getting ready to cook this fish that we caught. We're just gonna cook that big smallmouth bass that I caught, but as you can see, we've got the pan searing up. The oil's actually bubbling, so should be close to hot enough. We're gonna go ahead and got some flour and egg. We're gonna put them in there and then fry them up and see how they taste. We'll get back to you once they're cooked. Got them cooking. And they smell really good. So, hopefully they cook up nice and we don't burn them or do something stupid. But, I mean, right now they look pretty good, so. Alrighty. We'll get back to you when we start, well, probably when they're done. And then we'll see how they taste. Just got flipped over and you can see they look pretty good and done on this side. So. We got them cooking still. The fire actually went out, but the coals on there are still really hot, keeping it going, so they're cooking still. Alright guys, so here they are, and they're done, finally. So, you can see they're super tender. I'm gonna try to cut off this piece here. Yeah, I kind of forgot a fork, and I don't really feel like walking all the way back to the house, so There's what it is. A little bit greasy, but you can see it's extremely flaky. So we're gonna take a half of that. And we're gonna try it, guys. So we're gonna try it. Hopefully it's cooked. Pretty good, actually. Tastes just like fish you'd cook in the house, so I guess that's turned out really good, actually. All right, guys, so we finished the catch and cook and went ahead, cooked it up, and now we're eating it, and then the sandwich with ketchup on it. But yep, we're gonna end the video off here. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if you like this video, and I'll catch you later.